Level 1 to 100, the most extreme places in the universe. Welcome to the most terrifying journey through the universe. We are about to explore the most extreme locations in existence, places that defy human understanding, where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits. From the darkest voids to galaxies being torn apart by unimaginable forces, we will uncover the deadliest places, the most mysterious places in the cosmos. We will start at level 5, a relatively eerie yet harmless region, and gradually ascend to level 100, where the universe turns into a nightmarish abyss beyond comprehension. Buckle up. This is going to be a journey you will never forget. Level 5, the Great Cosmic Void. Boötes Void, an ocean of nothingness. Imagine being surrounded by absolute darkness in every direction. No stars, no galaxies, no light. Just an immense expanse of empty space. The Boötes Void is one of the largest known voids in the universe, spanning an incredible 330 million light-years. In a typical region of this size, there should be thousands of galaxies, yet in the Boötes Void, astronomers have found less than 60. If you found yourself drifting in this cosmic emptiness, you would be utterly alone, surrounded by an unending abyss. Scientists still struggle to explain this. How such an enormous region of space could be so empty? Some theories suggest that dark energy played a role in dispersing matter, while others propose another idea, that this void is a remnant of an ancient cosmic event that cleared out entire galaxies. Sounds eerie? Well, this is just level 5. Let's turn up the fear factor. Level 10, the densest objects in the universe. Neutron stars. The cosmic death machines when a massive star reaches the end. It explodes in a supernova, leaving behind an ultra-dense core called a neutron star. These remnants may be small, only about 20 kilometers, 12 miles, but they are among the most extreme objects in the universe. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs as much as Mount Everest. The gravity is so intense that if you fell towards its surface, you would be torn apart at the atomic level before even touching it. Neutron stars spin at incredible speeds, with some rotating hundreds of times per second. Now imagine something even scarier. Some neutron stars have unique features. They possess insane magnetic fields, making them even more dangerous. These objects are known as magnetars, and they take cosmic terror to the next level. Level 20, the universe's most powerful magnetic fields. Magnetars. The most lethal magnetic monsters. If a neutron star wasn't extreme enough, meet magnetars, the kings of cosmic magnetism. These are neutron stars with magnetic fields a trillion times stronger than Earth's. If a magnetar were close to Earth, 100,000 kilometers, 62,000 miles, away from Earth, it would erase every credit card and hard drive on the planet. Its magnetic field can distort atoms, literally changing their shape and stretching them into bizarre needle-like forms. Magnetars emit colossal bursts of X-rays and gamma radiation, strong enough to obliterate entire planets from light-years away. In 2004, astronomers detected a magnetar flare 50,000 light-years away that briefly altered Earth's ionosphere. If a magnetar were closer, its energy burst could wipe out life on our planet in an instant. That was level 20. But things are about to get much worse. Level 30, the universe's brightest beacons of doom. Quasars. The blazing eyes of the cosmos. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe, powered by supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. These black holes devour surrounding gas and dust, producing energy bursts thousands of times stronger, thousands of times more powerful than the Milky Way's entire output. Some quasars shine so brightly that they are visible billions of light-years away. Their radiation is so intense that any planet caught in their vicinity would be instantly vaporized. If you were close to a quasar, you would experience something terrifying. You wouldn't just be burned, you would be ripped apart by high-energy radiation. And yet, there are even darker and deadlier places than this. Level 40, the universe's most violent energy jets. Supermassive black hole jets. The ultimate death ray. Not all material that falls into a black hole disappears. Some of it is accelerated to nearly the speed of light and ejected outward in massive energy beams that stretch across millions of light-years. These relativistic jets are so powerful that they can evaporate entire star systems in their path. If Earth were unlucky enough to be caught in one, our atmosphere would be stripped away, and the entire planet would be reduced to a charred rock in space. Let's take things further. Enter the domain of cosmic time warps. Level 50, the distortion of time and space-temporal rifts. Portals into the unknown. One of the strangest consequences of Einstein's theory of relativity is that gravity can warp time itself. Near extremely massive objects, time moves differently. If you got too close to a supermassive black hole, time for you would slow down dramatically. If you somehow survived and returned to Earth, You might find that millions of years had passed while only minutes had gone by for you. Some scientists theorize that certain cosmic phenomena could cause anomalies. They could even create time loops or wormholes, connecting different regions of space-time. Sounds crazy? Well, the universe still has far deadlier places in store. Level 60, the ultimate planet killers, stars that eat their own planets while planets orbit stars. Not all of them get to do so safely. Some unlucky planets gradually spiral inward until they are swallowed whole by their own sun. This process happens due to tidal interactions. A planet's orbit decays over millions of years. Some exoplanets we've discovered are already in the process of being devoured by their stars. As they fall in, their atmospheres are stripped away, leaving behind bare, scorched planetary cores. But what happens when two entire galaxies collide? Level 70, the ultimate cosmic collision. Galaxies do not remain stationary. The Andromeda Galaxy is hurtling toward the Milky Way at 110 kilometers/s. In 4.5 billion years, they will collide. This collision will send planets and stars flying into intergalactic space. Some will fall into supermassive black holes, while new stars will form. Although stars rarely crash into each other, the gravitational chaos will reshape entire solar systems. Some planets may be ejected into the void. For those caught in this cosmic event, survival is impossible. But what if the entire universe itself faces an even greater catastrophe? Level 80, the heat death of the universe. One theory suggests the universe will slowly fade into nothingness. Over trillions of years, all stars will burn out, black holes will evaporate, galaxies will drift apart, and eventually, there will be no energy left to sustain motion or change. This is known as the heat death of the universe, a frozen, lifeless void where even atoms themselves may decay. This is a slow, inevitable fate. But what if everything ended suddenly instead? Level 90, vacuum decay. The instant end of everything. Physics suggests our universe might exist in a false vacuum, an unstable state that could one day collapse into a lower energy true vacuum. If this were to happen, a bubble of destruction would expand at light speed, erasing everything in its path. There would be no warning, no escape. One moment, everything would exist. The next, the universe would vanish completely. Even the laws of physics could change, making matter, energy, and space itself meaningless. It might have already started somewhere in the cosmos, but we wouldn't know until it's too late. Level 100, the most massive black hole in the universe. Ton 618 is the largest known black hole, with a mass of 66 billion suns. Its event horizon could engulf our entire solar system. If you approached, you'd be stretched apart by its gravity in a process called spaghettification. Time would slow until you disappeared forever. Inside, space itself collapses. No information escapes. No one knows what lies beyond, perhaps another universe, or the end of reality itself. Final thoughts. The fragile oasis of Earth. Compared to these horrors, Earth is a miracle. We are neither drifting in the void nor falling into black holes. We orbit at the perfect distance from the sun, with conditions ideal for life. It's easy to take this for granted. But what if one of these cosmic nightmares suddenly appeared near Earth? That is a question for another time.